Manila. Ang mga damdaming patuloy na lumalaban. Pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay ng pumanaw na si AJ Perez. Muling binalikan ang masasayang alaala sa piling ng young actor.
Just want to say thank you for stepping into a day of my life. I hope you guys got to know a little bit more about me better. So, I'm AJ Perez. Bye-bye.
Marami ang nagdala at labis na nagdalamhati sa di inaasahang pagpanaw ng batang aktor na si AJ Perez. Una na dito ang inang labis umanong nabalisa noong gabing naganap ang insidente.
I was really worried the last time I received a call from AJ. It was 9:40 in the evening. And then he was telling me na he will be home soon and I don't have to worry.
Bago pa ito, kakaibang lambing rin daw ang ipinakita ni AJ. Tila isang premonition sa kanyang pamamaalam.
A night before the accident, he asked me, Mom, can I sleep with you tonight? It's okay with you, it's fine with me. And I didn't know na that will be the last na pala. Na I can hug him, I can kiss him.
At para sa kaisa-isang kapatid, hindi raw nito malilimutan ang masayang samahan nila ng kanyang kuya AJ.
Maharutan namin because whenever he's not busy, he always stay around. When he wants me to act out noon. Kasi it was the Java Walkies pa yun. They were going. Tapos alam niya I was a fan. Tapos dinala niya ako sa stage para magpa-picture. I was really happy talaga.
Gaya ng ina at kapatid, labis din ang pangunguli